lesson for you. So today's lesson is about modal verbs. So what are modal verbs? So we use modal verbs to express the ability, possibility, permission, or obligation. So the ability, possibility, permission, or obligation. So they need another verb, however, a modal verb needs another verb so that the sentence makes sense, okay? We can't just use a modal verb alone. You have to put it with another verb so it does make sense. What is the content? So modal verbs do not function without another verb, as I mentioned, which is generally written in the infinitive. So it's in the infinitive form. The verb is not conjugated. When you use a modal verb with another verb, you don't conjugate the verb after the modal. There are different kinds of modal verbs. However, today's lesson will be focused about these two, can and could. However, we have may, might, will, shall. We have many modal verbs. However, in this lesson, we'll be only focusing on can and could. So can, the modal verb can is used to express ability or opportunity to request or offer permission and to show possibility. Okay, so we're going to look at those 5 things with examples. Ability, opportunity, request, permission, possibility. So the negative form of can is basically can't. So you can say I can't, say I can't, okay? So ability, first, ability, you can say I can speak English. So you have the ability to speak English. Impossibility, here, it's I can't help you. So is that the negation of can? So I can't help you. This shows impossibility, you can't help me. Request is demanding something. So can you give me those bags? So you are asking someone a request to give you bags. So here you can use can, a modal verb, to request. So here in the possibility example, so you can leave now. So you have the possibility to go. Okay. So notice in all these examples here, as I mentioned before, the modal verb can is before a infinitive verb. So here we have I can speak, I can't help, can you give me, okay? And here you can leave. All of these verbs after the modal verb are in infinitive form. Okay. So here the modal verb could. We have can and could. Could is the past of can. We can use also be able to instead of can or could to talk about the past or future. I'm going to mention examples below. So could, all what applies in can apply in could. So let's see a couple of examples. So she could run fast when she was young. So she could run, it's an infinitive like can. And here we have cars will be able to. This can will be, can or could we say, it can be like be able to in the future or past. And same example, she was able to run fast when she was young. It is the same, she could run fast when she was young. They were able to win a game in the 1960s. They could win a game with the 1960s. So we can write here could. Same thing, not the infinitive. Okay? Thank you very much for listening. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to encourage it to do more videos about education and English.